want to know what it is. The Matrix is everywhere. It is all around us.
Tips for cutting expenses. How to save money and achieve financial stability. If you're looking for effective ways to cut expenses and achieve a solid financial stability, you've come to the right place. In this article, we'll explore several valuable tips that will help you save money, optimize your spending, and leave other websites behind in Google search results. With the right approach and proper commitment, you can significantly improve your financial situation. Understanding the importance of cutting expenses. Before diving into specific tips, it's crucial to understand the importance of cutting expenses in our lives. Regardless of your current financial situation, saving money is a valuable skill that can provide more freedom, peace of mind, and security. By cutting unnecessary expenses and adopting a more conscious lifestyle, you can 1. Increase your savings. By saving more money every month, you can increase your savings and investments to achieve long-term financial goals, such as buying a house, taking your dream vacation, or planning for retirement. 2. Reduce financial stress. Constantly worrying about debts and expenses can cause stress and anxiety. By reducing your expenses, you gain more control over your finances, reducing stress and improving your overall quality of life. 3. Pay off debts faster. By saving money on your daily expenses, you can allocate it to paying off outstanding debts. This will allow you to become debt-free more quickly and save on interest over time. 4. Achieve financial freedom. When you control your spending and save consistently, you are on your way to achieving financial freedom. Having a solid financial foundation can offer more opportunities and flexibility in life. Now that we understand the importance of cutting expenses, let's explore practical tips to achieve this goal. Tips for cutting expenses and saving money. 1. Analyze your expenses. The first step to cutting expenses is having a clear view of how you spend your money. Review your bank and credit card statements from the last few months to identify spending patterns. Categorize expenses into housing, transportation, food, and entertainment. This will give you a precise understanding of where your money is going. 2. Create a realistic budget. Based on your expense analysis, create a realistic budget that takes into account your income and essential expenses. Set clear limits for variable expenses and strive to adhere to the budget monthly. 3. Avoid impulse purchases. Impulse purchases can be detrimental to your finances. Before buying something, reflect on whether you truly need the item and if it fits within your budget. Wait a few days before making the purchase to avoid impulsive decisions. 4. Opt for store brands and promotions. When shopping at the supermarket or other stores, opt for store brands as they are often more economical. Additionally, keep an eye out for promotions and special discounts, which can result in significant savings over time. 5. Reduce energy and water expenses. Small changes in daily habits can make a big difference in your energy and water bills. Turn off electronic devices when not in use, replace incandescent bulbs with LED bulbs, and fix water leaks. 6. Reflect on subscriptions and plans. Evaluate your subscriptions to streaming services, gym memberships, magazines, and other services. Ask yourself if you genuinely use all of them and if they are worth the cost. Consider canceling unnecessary subscriptions to save money. 7. Cook meals at home. Eating out regularly can be expensive. Cook meals at home whenever possible, and bring packed lunches to work. This not only saves money, but also allows you to have better control over your diet. 8. Use public transportation or carpool. If you usually drive to work, consider using public transportation or carpooling. These options are often more economical and contribute to reducing traffic and pollution. 9. Negotiate with suppliers and service providers. If you have recurring bills, such as internet, cable TV, or phone services, contact the providers to negotiate better terms and discounts. Sometimes companies offer exclusive promotions for loyal customers. 10. Plan major purchases. When planning to buy a high-ticket item, such as an appliance or electronic device, research prices, and wait for special promotions. This practice can result in significant savings. Conclusion: cutting expenses and saving money is an ongoing journey that requires discipline and commitment. By following the tips presented in this article, you are on the right path to achieving solid financial stability and outperforming other websites in Google search results. Remember that consistency is the key to financial success. Regularly monitor your expenses, adjust your budget as needed, and keep a watchful eye on your spending. With effort and dedication, you will be well on your way to achieving your financial goals and enjoying a financially healthy and prosperous life. So start implementing these tips in your daily routine today and prepare to reap the long-term benefits. Your future financial stability and well-being depend on the choices you make today. Best of luck on your journey to cutting expenses and achieving a financially sound life.